Hola, it's Miss Kim from the Vernon Area Public Library, and I am back with a super fun craft. Let me introduce you to my new friends. Meet Frida and Diego. We're going to show you how to make a new friend. Today we're making skeletons. Come on! Since Halloween will probably be a little different this year, we thought it would be fun to learn about another holiday that occurs right around Halloween. So we're making our skeletons and skulls in the style of the Dia de los Muertos celebrations. Dia de los Muertos originated in Mexico, and it means Day of the Dead in Spanish. It's kind of like Halloween, only it's not spooky or scary. And one thing you see a lot of are skeletons and beautifully decorated skulls. It's a time to remember any friends and family who have passed away by sharing stories and celebrating their lives with song and dance and color. It's an amazing, lovely holiday that most people don't realize is very family-oriented. So that's a little bit about Dia de los Muertos, or Day of the Dead. Be sure to check out a book bundle to learn more about it or any other holiday that you'd like to know about. Otherwise, let's get crafty. I put the skeleton template in the description, and if you follow along, we can make it together, starting with the skull. I used the natural lines of the paper plate to help me out with some of my designs. Now that we have the basic face, we can decorate however we like. Add as many dots or decorations as you like. You can stop here, or you can follow along and finish making the skeleton too. The collarbone is pretty simple, just make sure you have a neck bone. Joke time! How do you make a skeleton laugh? Tickle its funny bone. The ribs can be a little tricky, but we'll get it. Joke time! What did the skeleton order for dinner? Well, spare ribs, of course. Diego is tied together with regular old yarn. While Frida got colorful rick-rack ribbon for her joints. All the way from her painted fingernails down to her colorful toes. Well, I hope you had fun building your Dia de los Muertos skull and skeleton. I know I really got into the spirit. Frida, Diego, and I had fun, but we're bone tired now. So until next time, hasta la vista. V for Vernon Area Public Library.